Claim $372 for free right now on the Unreal Engine Fab marketplace. From right now until the 11th of August, you can get these 3 asset packs for free worth $372. And these are the Dragon Cave, the Surface Forge, and the Atlantis Ruins. So let's get right into it, starting with the Dragon Cave. Now this is a highly detailed environment designed for realistic quality with aim for modern games and films. Themed as a dragon cave, it includes a number of thematic assets and highly detailed dragon meshes and architecture pieces, all showcased in a detailed demo level. So in total there are 115 unique meshes, all of which have collision, some being custom and some automatically generated. There are LODs as well. There are 81 materials and material instances, with 130 textures, the text resolutions being 4K, and it says some are 2K. I think this one looks absolutely great. Next up, we have the Surface Forge V1.1. Now this is a cinematic grade environment surfacing framework for Unreal Engine 5 designed to deliver exceptional visual fidelity, advanced material blending, and production-ready workflows for modern environment creation. Built around nanite displacement and high detail surface rendering, this pack allows artists to rapidly create rich layered materials across architecture, landscapes, roads, rocks, hero assets, and organic environments with complete artistic control. The system combines advanced texture blending, procedural environment effects, and flexible projection workflows into a unified pipeline engineered for both cinematic rendering and high-end real-time applications. So the core features are advanced surface blending, 6 fully blendable material layers, height-based edge transitions, slope layer, curvature layer, snow accumulation layer, vertex paint and mesh paint support, and paintable height and displacement suppression. There's also nanite and displacement workflow, environmental effects system, projection and mapping systems, and decal forge integration. Again, I think this one looks absolutely fantastic. This is especially great for all of the artists out there. Definitely make sure to check this one out. And finally, last but not least, we have Atlantis Ruins. Now this is a prop package made in a PBR pipeline which is well suited for both AAA quality projects and projects with a focus on optimization and performance. There's not a whole lot to say about this pack, it's quite small, but you can see exactly what you're getting, and it is very good. In total, there are 37 unique meshes with 63 materials, those being 9 base materials and 54 base material instances, and 158 textures ranging between 1K to 4K, and all of them are custom made. There is collision, but there is no LODs, however they can be auto generated by Unreal. So again, I think this one looks great. And so with that, I think that'll be it for this video, covering the limited time free for the second part of July 2026, where again you can claim $372 worth of assets completely for free until the 11th of August. However, you can keep them forever, you only have until the 11th of August to claim them. So thank you so much for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it helpful of me covering these assets and reminding you that you have them to claim for free to keep forever. If you did enjoy it, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below as it really does help me and the channel out a lot. So thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.